Okay, y'all, so we're back with another Airbnb video. So I stripped the beds. Today I have 2 units to do for this host. I actually do a couple of her properties, but today is Mother's Day and I am working. Wah, wah. Anyway, I have to pull this bed, wash those towels. This garbage I have to take out. I have a load washing that just stopped, so I'm about to put that load in, put those in the dryer. Still gotta get to this bathroom, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. And yeah, still have to wipe down some stuff. I did the table already. This host like the table to be set up like this. And those over there, wipe those down and just mop. And yeah, we should be done with this unit. So again, y'all seen this place before. And this is a 2-bedroom. And this one is $110 a turn. Okay? So not too bad, not too bad. There go my daughter getting to work. All right, we're about to go downstairs. Check on my other unit. It's Mother's Day, y'all, and I am spending my day working. Let's see how this goes. The table's done. Mommy, the duvet, I mean, that's not the duvet. I know, but it goes the other way. Like, folded the other way. The kitchen is done. Garbage. Bathroom. It's done. You didn't get to mop the floor, right? Gotta put a garbage can in there. Gotta make this bed up. The laundry is almost done. And gotta put a comforter on there and straighten those sheets out. And just mop the floor. Okay, y'all, so this is another Airbnb that I got today. And this place was a mess. Half of the things that she wanted us to do was like deep clean because it was yucky. I'm gonna show y'all this refrigerator. I don't even want to open it, but look at this. It's like dead roaches in there. You see that? Ew. So I'm not even gonna show y'all the rest, but yeah, this is how I want to go too fast. Looking, we're getting it done. We're getting it done. This is a 2-bedroom, but she just came in, so she's trying to get it clean so that she can rent it out as an Airbnb. So yeah. Well, because I'm not doing laundry and stuff like that, it's just a general clean. I just charge her $100. So yeah, that's it. Let us finish cleaning. We'll be back.